Hey guys, welcome back to the second part of the series. So, in this part, we are gonna make our vehicle look cooler and that stuff. And we're gonna learn how to use native functions in GTA. So, I'm just gonna make another function, make our vehicle cooler. I'm gonna name it. I'm gonna pass in a parameter which is vehicle, and I'm gonna start writing my code here. So vehicle dot primary color will be vehicle color. Okay, so sorry, vehicle color. Or let's make matte black everything, as MKBHD says. So this will make our vehicle, which is passed into this matte black. And let's make this vehicle explosion proof. So you guys might be wondering, how do I know, like, if I want to change color I need to do this, if I want to make it explosion proof I'll say just explore. That is the best I can tell. So if I want to set modifications, like I want to change for example the bumper, so what I can do is I'll go vehicle. No, I need to call a native function first. So I'll go function dot call. That is how we call a native function, and we need it to call it hash. So I'll go set model kit something it is. Okay, I'm gonna say mod kit. Yep, set vehicle mod kit and make it 1. Or we can use vehicle dot install mod kit, but as we are trying to learn how to use native functions, we're gonna use this, and it needs to actually pass and handle the vehicle dot handle. Yep, and it needs to be 0. So again, you guys must be wondering, how am I doing this and how do I know what functions? As you can hover over this, you will not see any parameters. It just says params arguments. So I'll show you how to go around seeing this. So what you do is you just search on Google native functions if you ever forget, and there should be this Dave C. So it is actually Alexander's Blades website, and you just go to native database and slash native db, and this is the whole native functions database. I know it's a big one, but it is what it is. So I can just search what I want here. So I'll just search set vehicle kit at the center. It's not saying anything. Okay, so I need to go in vehicle for that first. Maybe I'll just search. Yep. So you guys can see I got this native function vehicle int mod kit. So set vehicle mod kit if you plan to set vehicle mod to 0. That's what the game does. Most body modifications set through set mod will not take effect until it is set to 0. So many of these functions have explanations, some of them don't. So don't expect everything to have an explanation. Then you need just to poke around and check what's happening around here. But that is that, and so I called that. Again, I didn't use install modkits because the purpose of this tutorial is how to use native functions, and I just showed it to you. So I'm gonna set a mod to it, set mod. I'm gonna go, so again it asks for a mod, vehicle mod, which is an enum, so I'm just gonna go vehicle mod dot bumper, front bumper maybe, and I'm gonna go model index 1, and no, none variations, thank you so much. Okay, it's still asking for a variation, so I'm gonna go true, and that should do it. But now we need to make this vehicle make look cooler, so I'm gonna just make another key code event, which is gonna be keys dot k, and then it will make our vehicle cooler, and I'll just pass it this vehicle. So I'm passing this vehicle, I'm creating the vehicle first, and we'll just put a null check, which is a good practice. Dot if not equal to null. And that should do it. So we'll test this script in game now. So guys, as you can see, we are back in game. I'm a little bloody because I just got into some trouble. So I forgot to tell you guys that you need to build the solution again, and again put the file DLL file in the scripts folder, so that will make the code updated. Obviously, what am I even saying? So if you didn't close your game and you just replace the file, and if the game is running, for example, so you had an old version running and you just pasted the new DLL, uh, you will expect like it should just update the code of the mode. That doesn't work. For that, you need to open the script hook v.NET console. The default key is F4 for you guys. I just changed mine to F5 because it conflicts. So, and I have shown that in the YouTube tutorial as well. So I'm just gonna type reload with the brackets, and I'm just gonna press enter. So it will reload the scripts as you saw it just did. uh, if I press F5 again, it doesn't show actually. Okay, well, so I'll press J to get my car. So as you guys can see, it is a yellow adder. If I press K, it just became matte black. And yep, that is how we just turned our car. There is a yellowish tint because I don't know, uh, but yeah, I think it's the sunlight, but it is matte black as you can see. So I'm gonna test out if it is explosive proof. Did we get a new bumper? I don't know, let me check. I added the front bumper. Okay, we did, and we did get the bumper. I'll be back. So I just spawned another adder. So yeah, the bumper was changed. Let's, okay, I think that is a bad idea. Okay, it was not, apparently. Okay, I have an invincible mode on, that's why. But that's why it's not affecting my car. But I'll show you guys. I'll just get down in a minute. So now if you can see, I've just spawned my adder, which is matte black. I just made the customizations. So if I try to blow it up, it doesn't. If I spawn a new adder right here, and I'm gonna just go a little bit back, and if I try to blow it up, it blows. So we made our car explosive proof as well, which is super nice. And that is how you use it is not bulletproof, by the way, it is just explosive proof. So yeah, that is how you customize your vehicles and use native functions in the scripting of GTA 5. Thank you so much for watching. Next time we'll try to make a mod menu, I guess, or I'll just see if anything else is left. So I'll catch up with you next time, guys. Bye bye.